CARLUEX Pro plus 2.0 Multimedia AI Box. Everything buyers need to know. For drivers seeking beyond basic infotainment, the CARLUEX Pro plus 2.0 upgrades vehicles into smart hubs. Its compact plug-and-play design enables wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, 4K streaming, and Google Play apps access, all without rewiring hassles. At the heart of CARLUEX Pro Plus 2.0 is the Snapdragon 6125 Octa-Core Processor with Android 13, ensuring lag-free multitasking, improved app compatibility, enhanced security, and extended support for new features compared to earlier generations. One of the biggest frustrations drivers face is juggling cables just to connect their phones. The CARLUEX Pro Plus 2.0 eliminates this hassle with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling seamless smartphone mirroring on your car's infotainment screen. The experience is designed to be fluid and reliable, making long drives or daily commutes much more convenient. Where this AI box really shines is in entertainment. It supports 4K video streaming for crisp, high-definition displays. Apps like YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus run natively with Google Play access. Transform your car into a multimedia hub, downloading nearly anything from Google Play. Most vehicles only support one main infotainment display, but the CARLUEX Pro Plus 2.0 features dual HDMI output, allowing front and rear screens. This sets it apart from simpler models supporting just a single screen. Perhaps the best feature for many buyers is the simple plug-and-play setup. Unlike some car tech upgrades that require rewiring or professional installation, the Pro Plus 2.0 plugs directly into the car's USB port. Within minutes, your dashboard is upgraded into a smart, connected experience without cluttering it with extra cables or adapters. With the CARLUEX Pro Plus 2.0, buyers can enjoy daily convenience without constant phone plugging, stream entertainment on the go, boost productivity with Google Play apps, keep rear passengers entertained while using maps, and travel confidently with built-in LTE and GPS. The AI box is perfect for tech-savvy drivers wanting the latest Android 13 experience, families needing rear-seat entertainment, rideshare drivers adding value for passengers, and frequent travelers requiring reliable LTE and offline app access. The CARLUEX Pro Plus 2.0 Multimedia AI box is more than an upgrade. It's a transformation for your car's infotainment system. It integrates advanced features into a compact solution, offering buyers next-level convenience and entertainment on the road, and future-ready technology.
Go to GearBrain for more information.